even in his absentia, yes, even if he's not seeing this video, me, I'm very happy for him, guys. Yes, even if he'll not watch this video, yeah, I'm very happy for him. Look at that magic. That thing that was in my heart here, yes, my heart here, yes, I've spoken it. Yeah, after seeing them, guys, you get well immediately. When you're discouraged, look for him. Woo! Look for him. And also, even me, I'm blessing him as one of the teachers. Yes, yes, I'm blessing him. If at all morally you are not upright, yeah, you'll get finished on the way. And finally I'll be there. Let me sit. Well, yeah, if YouTube yes, if YouTube could accept some of these contents, then we are somewhere, we are placed somewhere. At this time, we are struggling with everything. One, you are struggling with, not you, me. At times we just stay like this. Now viewers, what will I show my viewers today, guys? Where is the content, guys? Where is the content? Yeah, me, I'm leaving YouTube. Yeah, not even once I've said that. Yes. I'm one of them. Hey, guys, I am one of them. I'm in that list. Yeah, yeah. I am Marwa. If at all you're going to watch this video, congratulations from Nice Mom. 500K, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, I'm Nice Mom. Guys, thank you so much for your support, and also thank you so much for subscription. For the new subscribers, welcome to my channel. This is a place to be, guys. Thank you so much. Today I just want to join my fellow YouTubers and also the supporters at large to congratulate I am Marwa. Guys, this word is always not easy for me to pronounce. I don't know if my nursery teacher is the one who is responsible. Guys, let me tell you one thing. The day that I just went online and realized that he had 500K, guys, I shouted. Yeah, I was alone, but I shouted, and I was very happy. So this goes all to those people who supported I am Marwa, and also those subscribers. Yeah, I know you're the ones who've made him reach that figure. It is not easy, guys. Yeah, hey, for us, we are struggling in the village even to get one subscriber. Yeah, but you know, I don't know what that magic I am Marwa has. You know, when I am Marwa lift his camera like this, and then he just tell the subscribers to subscribe. Guys, Aki, they really do it. Even I don't know the magic. Yeah, yeah, they are so loyal, and I love them. Yeah, I love them. So I know that during all this time, yeah, it is many years. Yeah, there are some people who started standing with him from day one, guys. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, eh? Thank you so much. And we are so happy. If at all it was not you guys, it could not have reached that figure. Yes. Huh? It is not easy, guys. Yeah, it is not easy. It is not easy, my friend. Yeah. For me, I'm struggling. For the first time, boy, I really struggled, and I used to go to people and tell, oh, can you just subscribe to me? Subscribe to me. Oh, subscribe to me. Watch my video. Do this. When you see this sign, thumbs up. Yeah. Okay, hit that one. There's another one, notification bell. Yeah, it's a bell. Yeah. So I struggle and tell them, can you do that? Yeah. So I know it has not been easy for him to reach where he is. I'm so happy about him. And you do know, guys, I know there are so many people he promised. Yeah, I'm one of them. Hey, guys, I am one of them. I'm in that list. Yeah, yes, he told me when he reaches 500K, you know. Yeah, okay, it doesn't matter 500,000 and what, but it is within that, within that figure. Yeah. I should not leak out the information, guys. So I'm very happy, not because of the promise, but it is a milestone, guys. Yeah, we are very happy in the village. In fact, we don't know even how to celebrate. Yeah. And I believe, in as much as people went there and they really appreciated and celebrated, yes, there's some people who are planning maybe to celebrate in their own way. Yeah, like me, yeah, nice mom. Yeah, me, I'm still thinking, what can I do to such an amazing, yeah, just okay, such an amazing, what can I say? Okay, such an amazing, is it amazing? Can I use the word amazing? So I really appreciate, yeah, for the milestone. Okay, let me use the word milestone. Yeah, so that is a great milestone, and we are very happy, and we know it has not been easy, guys. Yeah, you know, in this work there are discouragements. Yeah, there are this and that. I know. In fact, I say me, I'm leaving YouTube. Yeah, not even once I've said that. Yes. When I'm waiting for subscribers, and then when you go to the views, yeah, and nobody is watching your video, I feel like, can I continue with this? So I know that along the way, he has gone through a lot, yeah, and also remember, he travels a lot. It is not easy, yeah, because he, okay, according to maybe what I heard, is gone over, is it 74 countries? Yeah, so it is not easy, guys. I know the work has not been easy. Yeah, in this work of YouTube, you can face rejection. Okay, looking for contents, but with the marwa, it doesn't look for contents. For us, we still look for contents. At times we just stay like this. Now viewers, what will I show my viewers today, guys? Where is the content, guys? Where is the content? Yeah, where is the content? But for him, the content just come. Guys, I'm looking forward for that time when contents will just come. Yes, you know, at this time you are struggling with everything. One, you are struggling with, not you, me. Once I'm struggling with getting the subscribers, one. Another thing, views, yeah. Another thing, content. Hey, all these things, yeah. Another thing is what? All those that entails in YouTube, yeah. But with him, he doesn't struggle now. Yes, content just come. So I think when he was starting, he underwent all this. But now he has made it, guys. You know, reaching 500K, guys. You know, it is just some steps, guys. Yeah, and he'll be reaching 1 million, guys. He in our village, yeah. Wow, I can't wait. I can't wait, guys. Yeah, so I just want to appreciate him first of all, and also the subscribers, the supporters, everybody. Yeah, even his mom and dad, the brother, the sister, okay, the family in general. Because okay, for somebody to have such victories in life, then so many people must have been involved, guys. Yeah, even me here. Being a teacher, on the behalf of the teachers, yeah, yes. So I know there are so many people who've contributed to his life. That is why he has reached this far, guys. Yeah, so thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very happy, guys. Yeah, you know, when you see somebody silent about something, you cannot know. Yeah, silence speaks louder than words. Yeah, I've been thinking on how maybe to appreciate and maybe how to maybe extend my sincere congratulations to him, guys. Yeah, yes, so we are very happy. We are looking forward. We are praying for him, and you know, when you get a certain victory, it shows that there are many victories for you, guys. So I think there are many victories for him. We are looking forward for more contents. We are looking forward to learn more when we watch his videos, and also maybe when we get that one-on-one. Yes, because we are privileged in our village. Ayamaro, you can meet him. Yeah, you can talk to him. He's a gentleman and is approachable, guys. Yeah, that guy is approachable. Yeah, so we are going to learn more and more as we continue to pray for him. So the only challenge, guys, yeah, the only challenge is how can nice be another I am Marwa in the village? Yeah, that is my greatest challenge. Yeah, how can I, guys? But I believe in myself. I know that with time I'm still learning. Yeah, I know I'll make it, guys. Yeah, I'm going to follow the footsteps. Yeah, and also I'll be imitating some of the things that he does. Yeah, so that I know at long last. Yeah, before that, the very thing that is in me comes out. Yes, I'll be following his footsteps. Yeah, in fact, I was watching one of his first videos. Yeah, and I was asking myself if YouTube yes, if YouTube could accept some of these contents, then we are placed somewhere, guys. Yeah, yes. Even I was looking at one of his, yeah, the one that he received his pay. Is it pay what? How is it called? Yeah, pay from YouTube. Yeah, and then I also looked at the minutes. Guys, 10 minutes point something. Yes, and when you look at his contents nowadays, it can, in fact, the other day 3 hours, and I was shocked. Wow. So somebody can maybe how do you say it, can attract people's attention this long. Yeah, but it is a step, and we know that is going far. We are praying for him. He's our son. We are proud of him, guys. Yeah, we are proud, very proud. Yes, we are very proud, guys. So we are looking forward for yes, we are looking forward for milestones. I know it has not been easy, guys. Somebody coming from 1,000, 2,000. For you people who've reached there, maybe you're taking it for granted. But me, I struggle even for one, guys. One. In fact, today, I just checked. And then 1 subscriber. I was excited. And then I was like, yeah, already I have 1 subscriber on top of the ones that I had, guys. Sema. Unatafuta na Prince? Tafuta yuko. Sorry. So, guys, when I see even 2 or 1, you leave alone 2, 1. I'm excited. And then say, ooh, so somebody can just subscribe to Nice Mom. Oh my. So can you imagine somebody coming from 1,000, guys, 2,000 subscribers, 3, 4, 10, 20, 100, guys, 200. Guys, wow. This person has done much. 300k, guys, subscribers. 4, and then now 500k, guys. People are good. Thank you so much, Marwa subscribers. You're amazing people. I just love you for free. You are very loyal. You know, I grew up somewhere where L and R is a problem. So at times when I want to say L, I want to pronounce L, I pronounce R. Just love you. I 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 love you for that. Thank you so much for standing with Marwa for all these years, guys. Yeah, each and every day you're standing with him, each and every day, and you're pushing him, guys. Oh, even me push me. Guys, push me. Yeah, push me, guys. Push me. I'll appreciate so much, guys. Yeah, just push me. And I know finally I'll be there. Let me sit. Well. Yeah, just push me. Push me. I'll appreciate so much, guys. Yeah. And because you've done it to him, I know it is possible. Yeah, it is very much possible. So thank you so much. Continue supporting him. Me, I always say that when I see anything good done to somebody else, even if it is not me, yeah, I am just happy. Yeah, because we are created by God to do good things. So guys, for those who maybe have that heart, that maybe when somebody prospers you feel so bad, don't, guys. Yeah, me, in fact, let me tell you one thing. Me, I don't have a house, guys. I live in a rental house, but when I see a nice home, I'm very happy. And then I always tell myself, oh my God, I always tell God that I know that someday I'll be having a nice home, guys. Yes, yeah, I'll be having a very nice home. You'll come and witness. Yeah, so on my channel, yeah, you'll just come and witness. Me, I don't hide anything. Yeah, yes, I don't hide anything. I always say the truth. Yeah, in fact, even I taught my younger son to say the truth. Yes, yeah, yes, he always say the truth. I told him, you just come and say the truth and face the consequence, maybe any action that you've done. Yes, even at school, I always tell people, just say the truth. At times, maybe when you say the truth, then I'll let you go free. Yeah, yes, and most of the time I let them go free to show them that, okay, you're supposed to say the truth. Just say the truth. Yeah, just say the truth. I remember there's a time that what happened? Something happened. Yeah. There's something that I did, and I did not want somebody to know, and my son went and said the truth. Yeah, so I was like, I was almost telling me, why did you say the truth? But I remember, I told him always to say the truth. Yeah, so I remember I was like, why did you? And then he told me, Mom, you told me to say the truth. So I could do nothing about it. Yeah, I just told him that, yes, I told you to say the truth. Yeah, you've done your part, so let me just face the the consequences of my action. Yeah, so it is good to say the truth. Yeah, so you're supposed to appreciate, guys. Yeah, appreciate them. Yeah, when somebody goes from one level to another, appreciate them. Next time you're the one who is going to be there. Yeah, me, I believe so. Yeah, me, I can't. I don't fight people's prosperity. Yeah, let them prosper. Yes, let them reach where God wants them to be. Because I know, if at all today I don't have this, then tomorrow it will be my chance. And one thing, there's a miracle that always happens. Yeah, compliment people, guys. Yeah, be happy when they make any step in their lives, because next is you. Me, I always believe that. Yeah, I believe that. That is why when I see a very good house, yeah, me, I always look at it, and maybe when I know the person, I have to tell that, you have a good home, you have a nice home. Yeah, because I know one day I'll have it, guys. I'll have a very nice home. Yeah, at times even there's something that I buy and anticipating that this one I'll be using it in my new good house. Yes, guys. So we are supposed to appreciate when people make any step in life. Be happy for them. Appreciate them. Yeah, appreciate them. So guys, this video I was just making it special for Marwa. Guys, he has done it. We are very proud of him. Yeah, yes, we are very proud of him, even in his absentia. Yes, even if he's not seeing this video, me, I'm very happy for him, guys. Yes, even if he'll not watch this video, yeah, I'm very happy for him. Yes, because I know next time it is nice, Mom. Yeah, I remember there's a time that I talked to him one-on-one. Yes, and then he was telling me that, you know, one day he was telling me that one day he will be very happy when he see me even going beyond Marwa. Yeah, that one is a blessing. And also even me, I'm blessing him as one of the teachers. Yes, I'm blessing him, and those blessings he has received them. Yeah, yes, he's blessed. Marwa is blessed. So we are praying for him. I don't know if I'm repeating myself, We are praying for him. We want him to go. In fact, we want him to travel, yeah, all over the world. Yes. So one time when he'll be maybe somewhere resting, yeah. But I don't know if he will rest. He will not rest. He'll still travel. So one day maybe he'll be looking at or making some reflections, yeah. He will say that I've gone to this country. When you talk about this country, oh, he'll tell you that I've been to that place. And you know, guys, you cannot travel to these places if at all morally you are not upright. Yeah, you'll get finished on the way, guys. Yes. It needs a lot of discipline. Yes, it needs a lot of discipline, and also somebody who has got his or her own principles, guys. Yes, this is maybe the reason why he's doing that. Yes, yeah. Marwa can go anywhere and can, in fact, he knows how to speak a lot of languages. Yeah, yes, he knows how to cope with the people. Yeah. Yes, in fact, there's a time I thought that maybe coping with maybe these people who are older. No, even children. I don't know if you've seen in his video. Yes, Marwa loves children so much. And I was asking myself, I think you've seen in his compound. Yes, when the time that he arrived, yes, children were just coming from all over. Yeah, they come there, they play there, they do their things. Yeah, they are there. Okay, they feel comfortable. Yeah, when he's there, guys. Yes, he loves children so much. So with him, he can cope with like people like us. You know me at my age. Okay, he can accommodate me. You see, guys, he can listen to me. Yes, I can talk to him. Yeah. Yes, he's a youth. Yeah, he's only 30. He's clocking, I think, 33. Yeah, 32, 33. Yeah. Yes. But he can sit with a nice mom at my age and tell me 1, 2, 3 things, guys. Yes. So, personally, I appreciate him. Yes, I like that character, because you know, when you have such a character, then you can live anywhere. Yes, guys. Yes, you can stay with all age groups. Yes, and you can accommodate them all. So it's all about being disciplined. Yeah, it's all about having that vision. It's all about that persistence, perseverance. Yeah, I know he has undergone a lot. I know that. Yes, that is why he's strong up to now, and he feels like maybe continuing with this work of YouTube. Yes, guys. So when you're discouraged, look for him. Woo! Look for him. When you feel that you cannot maybe continue with this work, guys, look for him. Okay, when you feel rejected, look for him. Yeah. He will tell you that you've not been rejected enough. Yes. Yeah, look for him. Okay, when you have many problems, yes, just look for him. Yes, he will tell you what he has undergone since his childhood and all that. Yeah, he'll tell you, and you'll just, instead of maybe sympathizing with your situation, you'll say, no, yours is not even anything. Have you gone to the hospital when you're feeling you're very sick? And maybe, according to, you know, that maybe, oh, when I reach there, I'm going to be admitted. But reaching there, you find people who are sick. After seeing them, guys, you get well immediately. And even tell those people who took you there, guys, can you take me back? Me, I'm not sick. I'm not sick. I'm not supposed to be here. Yeah. So at times when you feel you're so depressed, look for those people who've been depressed more than you. Then you'll realize that this is just okay, I'm just passing in, as much as it is something that is pinning me down, but I'll be okay. I'll be okay. And then you'll know that there are people who are undergoing there are situations that are even more than maybe what you're going through. Yeah. Okay, this is why even at times it is good to speak out. Yes, you speak out, but make sure that you speak out to people who can maybe People were trusted. Yeah. You don't go speaking your problems to anybody, anyhow, and telling people everything. No, you choose. Yes, you choose. You choose those people who you can share your problems with, and maybe those people who you cannot share your problems with, guys. Yes. So I think I'm done. Yes, I'm done, because that thing that was in my heart here, yes, my heart here, yes, I've spoken it. Yeah, I appreciate I am Marwa. That's all. Yeah. Thank you guys for watching my channel. Continue supporting me, guys. Continue pushing me, guys. Yeah, I know at the moment I'm at 808. That is a good number, and those guys are many. Yeah, guys, subscribers. Yes, people subscribing to you. 808. I tell you, that is, oh, I'm so grateful, guys, and so humble. Those are many people, guys. Yeah, yes, I'm not comparing myself to anyone. Those are my people. Yes, Ayamara gave me a shout out, and those guys, because they are loyal to him, they came and they're supporting me. Look at that magic. So guys, continue watching my channel, continue supporting me, guys. I love you so much. Yes, I love you so much. Thank you for taking your time watching my videos, giving your comments, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Let me end this video. Bye. I love you, guys. Until next time.